In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and view your notes on Udemy efficiently. Udemy, as many of you know, is a popular online learning platform that offers a wide range of courses across various categories. Taking notes during these courses can significantly enhance your learning experience by allowing you to capture important information and insights. But how do you access those notes later for review? That's exactly what we'll cover today. Let's start at the very beginning. Imagine you're not logged into Udemy yet. The first thing you'll need to do is sign into your account. To do this, head over to the Udemy site. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see a login button. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, a straightforward step, but crucial for accessing all your Udemy content. Now, for those of you who prefer using social logins for quick access, Udemy has you covered. On the login page, you'll notice the Google icon. Clicking on it is your shortcut to signing in, especially if your Udemy account is linked to your Google account. This not only saves time, but also the hassle of remembering another password. Upon clicking the Google icon, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. This step is particularly important if you manage multiple Google accounts. Make sure to select the one link to your Udemy account. Following this selection will grant Udemy the necessary permissions to access your account details for a smooth login process. Once logged in, the journey to accessing your notes begins. Look for the option labeled My Learning on the Udemy homepage. This is where all your enrolled courses live. Accessing My Learning is like stepping into your personal classroom with all your learning materials just a click away. Finding the course where you've taken notes is your next step. Scroll through your list of courses under My Learning and click on the specific course you're interested in. Each course card will give you a glimpse of your progress, but what we're after are your valuable notes. Within the course content, navigate to the Notes tab. This tab acts as a treasure chest, holding all the insights and information you've deemed important throughout your learning journey. Clicking on Notes will expand a view where you can see snippets of your notes, but there's more to it. To dive deeper into your notes, particularly if you're looking for notes from a specific lecture, you'll see an option labelled All Lectures drop down. This feature is incredibly handy for sorting through your notes based on the specific lectures they were taken from. It categorizes your notes so you can jump directly to the points of interest without having to sift through everything manually. But what if you're currently engaged in a lecture and want to quickly access the notes for that specific session? In such cases, opt for the Current Lecture option. This will filter your notes, displaying only those related to the lecture you're viewing at the moment. It's a time saver and ensures that you're focusing on the most relevant information as you learn. There you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to access and view your notes on Udemy. Remember, taking notes is a pivotal part of the learning process, and being able to access them easily for review or revision can enhance your understanding and retention of the course material. Udemy's Notes feature is designed to keep your learning organized and accessible, ensuring that your educational journey is both effective and enjoyable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your online learning experience with Udemy. Happy learning!